with daughter. She's gonna drive. Not even 14 yet. Here we go. Let's hope she doesn't give me a heart attack, okay? Okay. First things first, what is it? Seatbelt. Check. Next thing is check your rearview mirrors. Put the key in the ignition. Don't kill mom.
Wait, which one's brake again? Middle?
The middle one is brake. So hold the brake down as you put it in gear. Ah!
Shut
I'm
up!
just kidding. Okay, here we go. We're going around the parking lot. Show me how you drive. Don't run into the curb, kiddo. Take a left. Where's your blinker? Oh, you need a blinker, girl. She's not doing the blinker. Just kidding. Okay. Oh! Lead butt. Ow. Okay, then. How was that? Just kidding. You can go around more. She's too scared. Come on, Birdie. You got this. Yay! My daughter's a driver! She's a driver!
Alright, we're gonna go off this ledge. Okay.
No!
I totally forgot where the gas was.
Oh my gosh. Are you even pushing the gas or are you just rolling around? Let's just roll around then. Whoa, you're angling wrong. It's like totally weird. You're like going through the parking lot.
I know, there's one here.
Well, still. Keep going. No, don't turn. Oh.
I'm turning because I'm scared.
Or deja vu, Groundhog Day.